This is one snack that once I have it at home, I do not worry about what to pair my tea with. It can serve me as a food, dessert, or an appetizer. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. Start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it. To that, I move in with salt. I'm going to mix till everything is well combined. At this point, you can add any other dry ingredient of your choice, alright? Mix to combine very well. Now I'm moving with butter. You can also use margarine, alright? Now here comes the secret flavor to this recipe, freshly grated onion, alright? At this point, you still have opportunity to add any other ingredient of your choice. Moving with your fingers and start mixing till everything comes together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. After mixing, you should have a moldable dough just like this one. Alright, it is time to move in with water. You can use water from the tap, chilled water, any kind of water at all. If you are with me at this moment, type any water. Okay, I continue to mix. At this point, I noticed that I needed little water. Please add to yours if necessary. Okay, so I added little water. Continue mixing. Now I'm going to transfer to the work surface so that I will have enough space to mix the dough properly. Continue mixing and kneading till you have this smooth gel. I love it. Now I'm going to wrap it up and put in the refrigerator to chill with a big boys for about 15 to 20 minutes, alright? If your refrigerator is not available, please do not worry, okay? Just allow the dough to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, voila! I'm going to unwrap, then divide the dough into 2 equal parts. I am dividing the dough into 2 equal parts just because of the size of my work surface. You can roll everything at once if you have enough space, alright? Now, I'm going to arrange the dough in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Moving with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. I am going to roll as flat as possible I can, or till there is no life left in that dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Ami, watching from Anambra. Hannah Ebai, watching from Cameroon. Anis, watching from Bangladesh. And Splendid Royu, all the way from Qatar. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Like I mentioned earlier, I am going to roll as flat as possible I can. As you can see on the video, you can see that the dough is almost tearing, okay? That is how yours should be, okay? It is time to cut. At this point, you can cut in any shape that you prefer, all right? This is the shape that I'm going for. Now, this snack is one snack that I love so much. It requires just few ingredients and you are good to go. You can substitute the butter with oil if you don't have butter or margarine, all right? Now, this is what the shape looks like. I'm loving it. I love it. Yeah. Go ahead and gently pull one after the other so that you don't reshape the dough. You can also bake if you wish, but I'm going to fry in a deep hot moderate oil. Add those cuties. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Once you add the cuties, spread them around, making sure that they are in separate forms. This snack does not take time to cook. It gets ready within 2 minutes. Please do not leave these to japa. By the time you return, they will japa there. Fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take it off the heat, put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this recipe. Go ahead and transfer in an open tray like so, spread them around and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. You are done. Very simple and easy. Do we love the recipe? Do we? Do we? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. I want you to give it a try. Now you can see that I have two different designs. I cut the first half with the plain part of the pizza cutter and the second half with the designer part. That's all. Now here comes the texture. Super crunchy, very delicious. You can add sugar if you wish, all right? I didn't add sugar because I'll be taking it with sugary stuff. Here comes the way your girl loves to enjoy it with my hot chocolate. Drop some into the hot chocolate. Go ahead and marry. Oh my word, what a yummy before me. To store, I portion them in a way that once I have taken. Make sure that they are properly covered, all right? You can also package in a simple way, just like I did, and give it out to someone, and he or she will appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.